Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to change your WhatsApp profile image on PC. Whether you want to update your profile picture or add a new one, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC by double-clicking on the app icon. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Settings menu. Step 3. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Profile tab. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 4. Next, click on your current profile image. This will open a list of options related to your profile picture. Step 5. From the list of options, choose Change Image. This will prompt you to select a new image for your profile. Step 6. Browse through your computer files and select the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you have chosen the image, click on Open to confirm your selection. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your WhatsApp profile image on PC. Your new profile picture will now be visible to your contacts. Remember, you can always update your profile image whenever you want by following these simple steps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.